What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So we're back out here at this drop yard where that old Peterbilt I found was. We got to work on a Western Star. This one right here, they're saying they're having a brake chamber problem. So we're going to start it up, air it up, and then verify the problem to make sure that the customer's diagnostics are correct. But they're saying this chamber is bad down there. So let's go ahead and get this truck started up. I love the color of these trucks, it's so cool. They got a couple Cascadias as well. Oh, this one's El Manuel. Must have to push the clutch in on this one. Oh, cutoff switch down here. Truck I got at the shop of theirs doesn't have that. There we go. Now we're in business. So we'll go ahead and let this build air, and then we'll see what the problem is and get it fixed. So we got it started and running. It is this chamber blowing out the front of it and the bottom. So customer wants it replaced. We're going to go ahead and get it caged and get it all taken apart and get it up and running. Shouldn't take us that long. Well, we got the new one all installed, ready to go. So customer's happy. That's 2 days they've called in a row for road call, plus I have one of their trucks at the shop, so I ended up being a good customer for us. Here's the old chamber I took off. Took forever to get it off. The threads were all packed with mud and stuff because them hauling pipe for the pipeline, they're off road. So that's it. That's a wrap on this one. Everybody have a safe Memorial Day weekend. I'm gonna go home and shovel some dirt, and that's about it. Thanks, guys.